Let me introduce you Anna. Anna wakes up every morning and the first thing she touches is her smartphone. Even before she's brushing her teeth and lying in her bed, she checks her emails, her Slack, her WhatsApp group, and she gets really stressed about what is happening there. While she's brushing her teeth, she checks the latest news. While she's eating a breakfast, she watched the latest leadership video. When she's commuting to work, she's listening to the podcast on Spotify. And at work, she really needs to manage so many emails by herself, but there is so many distractions, notification, emails, calls. So she managed one simple email for 30 minutes. Over the lunch, she feels so pressured that she cannot handle all the work, so she's eating very fast and doing her emails during the lunch. That's why in the afternoon, she don't even know what she was eating during the lunch. In the afternoon, she feels mentally so tired and by all distractions she had during the day. So she come home, she turns on Netflix, and she spent hours watching the latest series. And in the evening, she doesn't even have energy to read a book, read a magazine. So she falls asleep with her phone in her hands or scrolling Instagram. So when we talk about today about technology, how useful it is, how great it is, where is the problem in this story? My name is Karolina, and I'm a founder of Replug Me project. And we are helping people to manage their offline and online life, and we help people with their digital well-being. Actually, the story I told you about Anna, Anna was my real client actually a year ago. She felt mentally so tired and so distracted by her notifications all day, 24 hours, that she burned out. She felt pressure to be better on her social media. She felt pressure to build her career better on LinkedIn. And every time she gets home in the night, she felt alone. Because the connections she built during the day online weren't really real for her. She didn't feel satisfied. So that's why she felt alone in her flat and don't know what to do with her life, because she compared herself through the all day with Instagram friends she followed. Sometimes we seems to be more managed by technologies than we're supposed to manage them. And basically, every time we have a call on phone, we answer. Every time there is a notification, we open it. And if we go on a holiday and we don't take selfies, it's like we haven't been on any holiday, right? So who is managing who? Are we managing the phones, or phones are managing basically our life? This is the answer we are trying to this is the question we are trying to help to answer to our clients. And the technologies are very good in order to helping our life, making our life easier. But from our work with hundreds of people, hundreds of parents, thousands of kids, and thousands of people like you, we know there is a huge gap in understanding how the technology shape our life and how influence our mental health. And there is also a huge gap how to understand its influence and how to incorporate technologies into our daily life. So I would like to flash a light on this topic here in this conference, because I think it's incredibly important to think how technology is coming to our life and what does it do to us and how we can actually manage it in a healthy way. Thank you so much for your attention. If you think this topic is important, please let's talk about it and open this topic later in the after party, for example. Thank you so much for your attention.
Thank you very much. I will just ask you one question because we have one extra minute. How many people are already engaged in this project, and also users and developers? How big is it?
Okay, so we are now a team of 5 people, and we made a workshop and seminars for thousands of people, counting parents, teenagers, kids, and normal general public, sitting here. That's why we see from their feedback, it's a huge topic for them that really need to be discussed.
Thank you very much, and thank you for coming.
Yeah, thank you.